Make your job easier with Pixelsilk. Add style to your text.
Let's begin with headings. Open the content editor if you haven't already. Place a title at the top of your content and make it stand out by selecting it. Then click Normal or P drop-down menu and select Heading 1. We suggest only having one Heading 1 per page. Search engines read Heading 1 tags, so it's also an excellent place to put keywords for ranking. Next, just like magazine articles, use subheadings to organize content for users in search engines. Select Subheading Text. Click Normal or P drop-down menu and select Heading 2, or even Heading 3 through 5. Some formatting can be applied as you go. For example, turn on bold, start typing, turn it off, and keep typing. However, if you select Heading 2, just like you did bold, start typing, then select Normal to turn it off, notice it turned the entire line back to normal. That's because headings are a paragraph level formatting control. That is, they affect the whole paragraph the text is in. Instead, type your heading first, and we'll pretend that wasn't even there. Press Enter, move the cursor back up to the subheading text, and select Heading 2. Or you can select Text and apply a heading style. Then move back down and continue typing. This is also true for other paragraph level formatting controls: justification, indenting, outdenting, numbered and bulleted lists. Clicking one of these buttons, even when text is selected, will affect the whole paragraph. Headings are the exception. If you select text, then choose a heading, it will only affect selected text. But not selecting text will turn the entire paragraph into a heading. And we'll go ahead and undo that. So a good rule of thumb is to type all your text first, then go back and apply formatting. Let's talk about some best practices to follow. Although there are tools here to change the font color, background, font size, and so on, unless you've had graphic design training, we recommend not using these, as it often results in what we call site uglification. You can see some examples of this at websitesthatsuck.com. They can give you some great learning tools for what not to do. Instead, use headings, stick with your default font colors and sizes because they've been expertly chosen to support your brand image. Finally, let's talk about some bullet tips. When making a numbered or bulleted list and you want to drop down a line without starting a new bullet or number, simply type Shift-Enter at the end of a line. A break tag will be inserted and you can continue adding text. Then hit Enter to start the next number or bullet. When you're finished, click the numbering or bullet button to turn it off. And that's it. Have fun.